Right, what we haven't looked at then yet is the timeline up here and the playhead. So what we'll have a quick go at doing is animating a shape. Okay, we're going to move a shape across the stage area, the white area. So I've got this shape that we've just made, and I want to make it just drift across the stage. So let's just select it and move it over to the left here. Now what I want to do is go up here and think about how many frames I want it to take to drift across the stage to here. Maybe 2 seconds, so we're running at 24 frames per second, so let's just round that up and go to 50 here. So this is on frame 50, and what we're going to do here is we're going to press Control and we're going to click, we're going to insert a keyframe. So a keyframe is when a key event is going to happen. Okay, so what we have now is where the image, the shape begins over here, and where it's going to end up, which is over here. So what we need to do is just put our shape where we want it to finish being. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to get Flash to do all the in-between work for us, which is where the name Tweening comes from. So all we need to do, instead of dragging our playhead around like this, if we click anywhere in between this first keyframe and this second keyframe, click anywhere between in here, and let's just, one of these frames here, press Control down again and click, and we're going to insert, we're going to create a shape tween. So this is a really basic tween that Flash is going to perform for us, and you can see it's worked. The frames have gone light green and there's an arrow in there, and as you can see over here, our shape's moved. If we just drag our playhead around, you can see it moves across the stage area like that. If we just want to do a preview, we can press the Apple Command key and return, and it will just make a little preview version for us that will float across the screen like that. Okay. What you can also do is change the shape. Okay, so if we want to modify this shape or the colour or whatever, it's a basic shape tween, so anything that we do to this, it will happen across that space. So let's get hold of the selection tool and let's change some of these. Oh yeah, let's make it into some weird kind of triangle shape like that. That's quite normal. And let's change the colour, so we need to select it, and we'll go and pick green, and we'll change the stroke colour to red, and we'll just make it thicker like that. Okay, so now that's how it starts, that's how it finishes. Let's press Command and return and see the preview version of it. Okay, so you can see it changing like that. We have that finishing at this side of the stage and starting this side of the stage. You'll see more clearly what's going on. Okay, so that's your basic tween.